Good morning everyone, it's Henry from APS Detailing here. So Chris wanted a bunch of footage of his van being wrapped. Van, motorhome, whatever you want to call it. So he's just dropped his motorhome off for wrapping this morning. I'm not very good behind the camera, so let's go and have a look at this beast. The motorhome in question. I'm just going to walk backwards. So Chris has dropped this off for all these body plastics down here. I'm trying to look at the screen at the same time. All these grey plastics along here, all around there, all the way around the back, all the way up there, up over the top. Thanks, Mark. Lad's trying to wash the house on wheels. Again, along there, up along the top. Move on my way, Mark. Along the top, I'm going to pull some graphics off it. I don't know, even at the front of the van yet. Pull that lettering off the top of there. Do some funky wrapping around there. What else did he ask for? Mud flaps fitted. Badges off the back. He reckons he's going to get this back in 24 hours as well, you know. I haven't told him it's going to be 5 days yet. And that's what I've been tasked with, so challenge accepted. We'll get some more clips during the week whilst we're wrapping it. I'll get some clips of the material that we're going to be using as well. Yeah, so hope you like it, Chris. Morning, Chris. Day 2, working on your house on wheels. So this is the material we're using on Chris's van. We've already done some little bits on it, so just to see how it was going to go. So there's the door bit on there. Just doing the test. Also had Craig in this morning, looking at the side repeater bits. These can't take them off, unfortunately, so I'm gonna have to do a join with some more material. I've done this bit there. And we've done this big bit on the back. So the reason we're on day 2 and there's only a little bit being wrapped is this thing holds bucket loads of water behind every single piece of plastic. And the water's just stopping the vinyl from sticking. So it's been locked inside all night with the heating on. So we'll get a good chunk of this done today. Good morning everybody. Day 3 working on Chris's house on wheels, motorhome. It's an early morning. Been in here since 6 o'clock. But anyways, back to it, because I think Chris is coming in today. I don't know. He's not going to tell us, he's just going to pop in and check up on us. So yesterday, day 2, yesterday, we got this other back corner. We got all of the lower skirts all wrapped up. Very nice. Just about to start these wheel arches. Where's my hand in the camera? There it is. Around there somewhere. Anyways, you get the idea. I'm just about to wrap them up. And the aim for today is to do everything along the top. And this bit up here. Thanks, Chris. Hope health and safety doesn't come in today. Right, here's that day 3 update that I was going to talk about. And it's update at 9:15, so nearly halfway through my day already. Wheel arches are all finished now. But both wheel arches are finished, and we're going to attack the back of this thing today, this morning. The camera is moving very slowly. Big logo on the wall. Look at that. Right, so wheel arches. Oh yeah. All buttoned back up. These lower trims were an absolute pain in the backside because see all these LED running lights? Yeah, I couldn't disconnect them. So there was 3 on each side, so I've had to use me magic to get it round them, and underneath everything's done on there. looking banging. Also, this is where Chris had the crash. As you can see, had it all fixed and wrapped it up. Like, you'd never know unless you know. So there's still a scuff there as well. Anyways, yeah, so we're gonna go up around the top of here, get the top of that done. But before I start wrapping, I've got to find a way to take the reversing camera off, the brake light, these circular lights. That's probably going to take us about 3 hours to figure out. And we're going to try and get all this lower bumper piece done. Got trestles everywhere. Get this lower bumper piece done as well. So yeah, another busy day. And I'm not working late tonight either, Chris. Just waiting for the camera to turn around. Is it turning around? No? Just giving you a full view of what's going on in the workshop instead. Come on, camera. Come on. Nah, it's not turning around. Oh, it's coming. There he is. Look at him. I'm not working late tonight either, Chris, because Wednesday night is race night for me. So, fat chance of me staying late. So, have a good day. One thing I have forgot to mention is I still don't know if Chris is coming today, but he's already sent us like 20 text messages asking for updates, asking for pictures. Chris, f off man, I'm busy. Love ya. Well, that was a bit strange. Went to do a mid-morning update and guess who walks through the door? Chris himself. I think he's left the APS a little bit stressed thinking his van isn't going to be finished. I mean, there's still loads to do, like, but we'll get it done, man. Have faith, Chris, have faith. Anyways, update. I'm actually up on the scaffold now. We're just going to hang out the back of here. So I've done the back bit around there. Just trying to reach round. Done all the top bit. Bang tidy. And now everything we've wrapped so far has all been grey. So we just effectively made the grey darker and look like plastic. But we've just put the first bit on that's actually changed a little bit. Well, it's changing the white to now black to follow Chris's design. I turned the camera around, but it's a pain in the ass. So, anyways, Chris is stressed. See you later. Right, morning, Chris. Day 4. And I still got f***ing loads to do. Let's have a look and see what we've done there. I'm not going to turn the camera on today because it takes days. I've done all that top bit on this side. I'm going to do the rest of this morning. Up around there. I've already got the scaffold up. I've already put the knifeless tape on. But before I get going, I thought I'd best do the video, otherwise Chris will get upset. The full back end. All this is done now, this is done. Later on today I'm going to do this rear bumper piece. I just want to get the roof bit finished first. Deadline day is tomorrow, I'm fully aware of that. Chris hasn't let us forget. Texting us 20, 30 times a day. It's relentless, man. Put your phone down, Chris. Do something productive. Yeah, so it's probably going to be a late night, early morning. I might even just sleep in Chris's van in the workshop. Home from home, isn't it? Right, I'll let you know what I'm doing later on.
Just pulling into the industrial estate where APS detailing is. I am nervous, to be fair. Quite nervous. Again, like I said earlier in the video, it's the front that I'm nervous about. I have not seen it. I've seen a picture when he'd partially done a little section of it, but I haven't seen it even remotely close to being finished. 4:30. I was told to come later. Let's have a look. His van's in the way, but that looks sick. That looks absolutely outstanding.
Well, that's a wrap on Chris's van. Unfortunately, the finished product isn't in this video. So you might have just watched it and thought you wasted your time. But if you want to see the finished wrap, it's on Chris's YouTube. The link will be up here somewhere. Aaron's going to put it in here, or it'll be in the description down there. Feel free to leave a comment, your cup of tea. If it's not, or just say well done, nice work. You know, I like that sort of stuff. Thanks for watching. Bye.